In this video we will show how to embed a dynamic component, such a counter with 2 buttons in a server. Static page, and under this video you will find this playground. That is, the code of this example. You can open it, fork it and play around on your own. So, what does the example consist of? And here are 2 folders. One of them is on the Vue framework, the second is on Solid. We will now look at both. But let's start with the example on Vue. It is probably simpler. In Chatium we can create different types of files. This is a server file. Written in the TypeScript language, its task is to return an HTML page. That is, here is a line that links the address of this file with some function that returns the result. The result is returned as a static HTML page. If we want to change something on it, then we can edit the code and see how it will be. But in any case, to change something we need to reload page. The point of dynamic components is to change the state of the page without reloading it. For this purpose dynamic frameworks are used. In this case Vue, now we are showing how to insert such a component into a static page. In this case we have a counter-up Vue file, which is very simple. It has a template. It has an HTML version. It displays the current value. We can change it here too. There is a starting value. Start value, it is displayed, and 2 functions that allow you to increase or decrease it. And 2 buttons that call each of these functions. And here is the component insertion and the initial value is specified in it. That is, in fact, we can insert another component like this. Pass it another value and get 2 components already. To see an example on Solid we go to the Solid folder, open index.tsx. We press preview, we see our file. Here everything is almost the same. The only thing is that counter app is not written in Vue. In Solid, it is a framework similar to React. It uses the same TypeScript, the same TSX, as server files. Their only difference is that shared is written here. This label allows you to output the file to the client, that is, the browser. Here the browser does not see the server file code, it only sees the result. And here it receives the entire component and can already work with it. If we now change the layout, edit something, press save, we will see that the component has changed. Well, and if we insert a second such component with another, for example, value, we will see that the layout was applied in both cases. This is a minimal example of inserting a dynamic component in the country. What is worth noting is that when we insert a solid component, we write curly brackets because the solid component has the ability